you tell the court what would happen if the children were left alone in Miss Allison's care?
I can't speak to what would happen, ma'am. I can give you what I believe could happen. This woman has shown a very obvious hate for me. She has harassed me. She has sent me pictures that she grabbed out of Mr. Henry's phone. And she has not stopped to the point that I've had to change my number numerous times. My daughter has fell over there while Mr. Henry was not in there. When I bring things like this to Mr. Henry, my daughter comes home and tells me she fell, she was not helped. When I bring these things to Mr. Henry, there's a back and forth. So my request is to prevent these things, that my children not be left alone with this woman. It's not that I don't necessarily want the woman around. I can't control that. I'm just asking that there be supervision because this woman has showed an obvious hate for me for whatever reason. And it wasn't a one-time situation. She has been harassing me since January of this year.
Okay. Just to be clear, and then I'll move on from this issue. What does she say when she harasses you?
Multiple things. Do you want me to read all the text or?
No, ma'am, I do not want you to read all the text. Just give me a gist. Is it threats? Is she, what is it?
In the text messages, there hasn't been threats. She just sends me nude pictures, threatens to send these to my job. She threatens to call my job.
Nude pictures of whom?
Pictures of me. Nude pictures of me that Mr. Henry has sent her, and she sends them to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Besides this information that you've provided, is there anything that you haven't mentioned that you would like the judge to know?
Such as what?
That's up to you, ma'am. You're representing yourself. So if there's anything else you need to say, this is your time to say it.
No.
Okay. Thank you for your information. I'll pass this witness. I call the father. Sir, can you state your name for the record?
DeAndre Henry.
And Mr. Henry, did you hear the agreed portions that I read into the record?
Yes.
Are those still your agreement?
Yes, besides the point of my kids not being able to go out of town.
We're talking about the agreements, Mr. Henry. You need to listen. We're just talking about the agreements. Did you hear the agreements, yes or no?
No. Can I hear those again?
You're wasting our time having to go through all this all over again because you can't listen.